my boy, RFM, went out to Santa Cruz. Made a little Twitter post about it. He's got some good clout. He was shouting out H3 Productions. You know, looks nice and normal until you look at his face. What the fuck? What is this? So, I asked if I could put his face on a little Teletubby son. You know what I'm saying? And he said it was okay. He fucked up. He fucked up. Bust out the Teletubbies. This high quality? Fuck my generation. Alright, here we go. We got our baby face. Let's go get ours face. Hey, how you doing? Looking a little confused there, buddy. A little lost? The fuck is that face, son? You like need his double chin. If you don't got the double chin, bro. I don't... Control J. What did I do? Oh my god. Beautiful. Oh my god. It's fucking straight out of a horror movie. Fucking thumbs up. Look at his double chin. That shit is fucking... Y'all ready for this? Just fucking... Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, if this gets 20 likes, it's gonna be his profile picture. 20 likes. His fucking chins. Ah, goddamn. 20 likes and RFM will put this as his profile picture.